Mm. Welcome back, guys. How are you all? Hope everyone is cool. You can hear me, just let me know. And as I told in my tweet that today I'm not interested to frame any setup. Anyone is here to copy my trade, please leave me alone today. It's gonna be a very, very, very boring lesson because I would love to explain everything how do I do this. Before starting everything, just let me know that you can hear me, and don't forget to give me the likes. All good. Thank you, Mayank. Okay. Yeah, please don't forget to give me the like. Hey, Nicolo. Good morning, brother. Martin. Novotny. Buy. Okay, let's buy it. I have have bought it, man. How are you, Martin? Okay, guys. I guess you can hear me as Mayank told me that all is good. So please, if you are here to just copy the trade, leave me alone today because it's gonna be a boring lesson, a boring lecture, boring time. Here is the dollar index chart, and you see this is the daily chart. Okay, how do I do that? How do I start actually? Hey Sarjay, good morning, brother. When I opened my daily chart, just forget about it. This is the clean chart. Okay, so to that clean chart, I will see from daily chart where market came, how it is reacting, where is it right now. Now you can see market is right now over here around that area. So exactly what happened in this area, not whole of this price action, not everything, just all, just the swing high, the low. Okay, where price is right now price is over here. Is that what is the leg? That leg is actually covering this right now, right price action. Okay, the right now price, which leg is covering this high, that low. See this leg is covering all of this price action. That means all of this price action is inside that leg. So I will just look at this price action over here. What is it actually doing? I saw that from here price came to this volume balance, so I will mark that volume balance. Okay, then market went little lower, came to this entry fair value gap, went higher, made this relatively equal highs. I will mark that as a buy side liquidity. Again, I'm not gonna frame any trade today, so please this is the buy side liquidity. Okay, when market made this buy side liquidity, then it went lower. Now when it is going lower, where is it going exactly? What do I have over there? Do I have any sell side liquidity? Now I don't have any clean sell side liquidity, but if I force, then it can be a sell side liquidity, but not like this type of buy side liquidity. See this clean highs, double top, double bottom, triple top, four bottom. That's my liquidity, not single high, single low. It went lower. Why did it came? To this daily fair value gap. Why daily chart? Because I'm gonna frame a trade from 1 minute chart, maybe second chart. I don't need to go to weekly chart. I have done the weekly analysis before already, so I have that in my mind what can happen from the weekly analysis. But right now I'm just watching the daily chart. Price went here to this last fair value gap, maybe with a consequent crossment, then started to go higher. Okay, I'm convinced that market came here to this fair value gap. Now it is going higher. Now, if it really would love to go high and take this buy side liquidity, what it should do? It should disrespect every bearish fair value gap. It should disrespect if there is any order block. Everything should be disrespectful. You see, this is a fair value gap over here. This candle low, that candle high, that is a fair value gap. So market went through this fair value gap. When market went through that fair value gap, now I would love to see if this fair value gap work as an inversion parabolic curve or support? Can it use as support? Why this parabolic curve is important? Again, market came here, this volume imbalance, made this relatively equal highs, then fall. So what the retail traders seeing? They are seeing this is double top and market is falling. When market is falling, as an ICT trader, what I am seeing? I am seeing this is a Judas swing. How far it can reach to that last parabolic cap? If this last parabolic cap is broken, then maybe this relatively equal lows will be triggered and this order block will be triggered again. If this thing is broken, then this last parabolic cap will be triggered. When market came here, this bullish parabolic cap, hold the price, send it back. When it is going higher, what can stop the price for going higher? Bearish parabolic cap, bearish order block. Right now, price went through this bearish parabolic cap, but trading the order block. Why that is order block? Price come here where this volume balance. Don't care about this volume balance. Look over here, last parabolic cap. Price trade the last parabolic cap. The highest body close candle, up close body close candle is my bearish breaker. This is the breaker. Right now, price is reacting from that breaker. If it can go through this parabolic cap, see this parabolic cap. Now let me use this one. These two blue lines. If price can go through this parabolic cap, that means this bullish parabolic cap is much more stronger than this bearish parabolic cap. This bearish parabolic cap should work as an inversion parabolic cap. Why? This low failed to take that low. This low failed to take that low. This is the bearish parabolic cap that should work as a bullish parabolic cap. When market will tap over there and then start to go higher for that buy side liquidity, oh man, that's kind of awesome. Okay, that's just awesome. I want to see that market will go higher. Now from my weekly analysis, you know that I was bullish for dollar index, this B pair. I just marked the B pair instead of the uh, last parabolic cap. Actually I marked the B pair, whatever. So that is the weekly B pair. So constant cosment came, went higher, go through this bullish bearish parabolic cap. Now it should tap over there, go higher for what? Buy side liquidity. Then this buy side liquidity, that should be target. Now if it go through this parabolic cap one more time, this inversion parabolic cap, what should I think? Then I will start to think, okay, maybe market is falling, maybe market is falling. I don't want to see that. I would love to see market should go higher. Now there is a bullish parabolic cap as well. See, market has just made this bullish parabolic cap. What is that bullish parabolic? This is the parabolic gap that should be opened. That means this parabolic gap should be opened. Why? Because if you are thinking that market will go higher, there should be a parabolic gap opened. That will help you to understand that market is extremely bullish. So it is going to take this buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity. If market fully closed this bullish parabolic gap by body, then it's gonna be a sign for consolidation. Why market doesn't need to trade, I mean closed this parabolic gap perfectly? Because market has traded the last parabolic gap, right? Also the BPR, I don't just mention the BPR, instead of that just think about this last parabolic gap. If I trade that last parabolic gap constant in cosment maybe then went higher, that means market has done the parabolic gap job. It has done the parabolic gap job. It doesn't need to trade another parabolic gap for just going higher. Can it trade it? Absolutely it can. But if it doesn't trade it, that's a sign market is extremely bullish. So from the daily chart, I am just expecting these two blue line, the inversion parabolic gap again. I'm not copying anyone else. I don't know what ICT told about the inversion parabolic gap. All I know, ICT just marked the inversion parabolic gap. He never told where and how you should look for the inversion parabolic gap. I never watch any other's video. Whatever I'm telling you, this is all my experience. This low failed to take that low. That is why I'm believing this is the inversion parabolic gap that should work, that should use as a support. It should expand higher now. From daily chart, I'm expecting market will go high. From weekly analysis, I was expecting market will go for that buy side liquidity. Let's go to hourly chart. Now, from hourly chart, what do you see? This hourly chart. So price went lower, come back again here, went higher. Where did it reach? To this last parabolic gap. See this last parabolic gap from hourly chart. Perfectly, price came here to this last parabolic gap. It has taken the buy side liquidity. Very nice market structure shift, making the bearish fair value gap, right? Now, from daily chart, I was expecting market will go higher. Now, from hourly chart, I'm seeing a bearish setup. What does it mean? That means every time you will go one time frame to another time frame, you will be surprised because every single time frame is different. You have to keep that in your mind that from daily chart you are expecting higher move, right? So from my daily chart, I'm expecting this setup is not going to work. This bearish setup is not going to work. But every move start from 1 second chart, maybe sub 1 second chart, right? The lowest time frame is actually start the move. So like 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 15 minute, hourly, then daily, then weekly, then monthly. That means when market reversed from here, it it came from here to here. This first move happened and in maybe 1 second chart. Then it shows in 1 minute chart, then maybe 15 minute chart, then hourly chart, then daily chart, maybe then weekly chart. This is how it works. But you have to understand both way, daily from high to low, low to high. So from hourly chart, you can see a very nice setup. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, very nice market structure shift. Market is now making a fair value gap. It has traded this last fair value gap from hourly chart. It's a very nice clean sell setup. Now all I will do, I will mark sell side liquidity. From daily chart, did I have any sell side liquidity? No. But from hourly chart, do I have sell side liquidity? Absolutely I have. So when I have this sell side liquidity, I'm not ignoring this setup. I'm expecting market is not going to work from this area. I will go lower time frame, much more lower time frame, so it will be easier for you to understand that. But just try to understand that from here. I'm not expecting that market is going to respect this. I mean, market is not going to respect this setup. I'm not just thinking that. I'm thinking market is just making a perfect setup for this sell side liquidity. At the same time, that is in my mind. From daily chart, it should expand higher. Now let me go to daily chart one more time. Well, you can see market came here to this area, right? This is the sell side liquidity. Now what can happen? What else can happen? This candle will go lower below this low, then it will go higher again, and maybe it will close at the 50% of this fair value gap. See this bullish fair value gap? It will be maybe close at the 50% of that fair value gap, or maybe it will come until the 50% of that candle, then it will go higher and close above this bullish fair value, sorry, that inversion fair value gap, right? It can happen from a daily chart. In that movement, it will go lower, then it will go higher. In that time frame, this hourly candle can move little lower. Maybe it is not going to take this as a liquidity, but it will go much more lower by making that setup. It will tap to that fair value gap, it will go little lower, then it will go higher. So when it will happen, I'm a 1 minute trader, just a 1 minute trader. If I can catch a move from here to here, I'm happy. Why I'm telling you this? Because you can expect this is the sell side liquidity that is going to be triggered. You can expect that you take an entry over there and you are going to hold your trade until that area. You can't do that. If you are oversure from daily chart that no, market is actually falling, this is not inversion fair value gap, market is going to fall. In that type of situation, maybe you will be able to take some partial, then you can hold your trade until the sell side liquidity. In that type of situation, this is hourly time frame, so I'm just talking about the hourly time frame. Now if you're thinking that market is going higher from daily chart, you just can't hold your sell setup for long. Maybe you are wrong. Maybe market is not going higher, market is actually going lower. What you are going to miss, either you will miss a setup, or if you take an entry, maybe you will close it prematurely, right? Either way you are going to be benefited. If you don't take an entry, you are not going to meet any loss. If you take an entry, maybe you will close it earlier, but still you are in profit. So I'm not ignoring this setup, but at the same time I keep that in my mind that market is going higher. Let's go to 15-minute chart. Now this is 15-minute chart. What do you see from 15-minute chart now? This is now 15-minute chart. Okay, see this buy side liquidity, this buy side liquidity has taken over there, market went little lower, take the buy side liquidity again, market fall, boom, market fall. Where did it came? To this volume balance, or maybe around this area, some kind of last parabolic, whatever you say, just came here. What it has done as well, it has taken all the sell side liquidity has taken. Now from 15-minute chart, from hourly chart, you are seeing that they are making a sell setup. Now from 15-minute chart, is that a clean sell setup? What do you think? Is that a clean sell setup? Or you can say market has actually taken the sell side liquidity. Now this is the obvious buy side liquidity. Market is going to take that obvious buy side liquidity. They're relatively equal. Do you think market is coming over here? No, it's not clean. Market can come here, but I'm not sure because market came here. This is a news run. Market went lower. So kind of this volume balance it has traded. Now it is going actually higher. From hourly chart, you are thinking that market is falling. Isn't it so clean from hourly chart that market is falling? Taken the buy side liquidity, trade the last parabolic gap, market structure shift, parabolic gap, price will trade the parabolic gap, boom, this is the clean sell side liquidity. Now when you are in 15-minute chart, everything is different. That is why I told that the daily chart and the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is the mirror of daily chart. I use the hourly chart for liquidity, just for liquidity. And if I am very much confused about the 15-minute chart, then I actually go to the hourly chart. Every single time frame you will change, your perspective will be changed. Absolutely, it will be changed. Okay, from 15-minute chart, maybe for you this is a displacement, very nice sell setup. No, I don't look like that. I'm just seeing that market fall, take all of this liquidity. Now market is going higher. Why it is going higher? Market right now, market is over here, so it has traded this last parabolic maybe, but this relatively equal highs will be triggered. Market won't go over here from 15-minute chart. It's look like that market is not going over here. Am I ignoring hourly sell setup? No, I'm not ignoring. I will need the confirmation from 15-minute chart. Is it really would love to go lower? So if it really would love to go lower, I want to see a clean setup from 15-minute chart for sell setup. If it really would love to go lower, I need a sell setup from 15-minute chart. So that will confirm me the daily chart is actually going to work, that inversion parabolic gap is going to hold the price, or the hourly setup is going to work. This 15-minute chart will confirm that. That is why I told you just mark the 15-minute last parabolic gap or entry parabolic, whatever I told you, like that way. Okay, now from 15-minute chart, do you see any buy side liquidity? No, I don't see any buy side liquidity. Now I can force this one as my buy side liquidity. This is the clean sell side liquidity around that area. Can market go over there? Absolutely, it can go over there. Can market go higher? Until now, I'm just seeing market has taken the liquidity. Just sell side liquidity has taken, trade this volume balance, it should go higher. So in my opinion, market is bullish from 15-minute chart. I will take my decision when the 15-minute chart will give me some kind of confirmation. Like what type of confirmation? For example, let me show you over here, over there. Okay, so can I use this one? Yeah. Look over here, from 15-minute chart, market went higher, take the buy side liquidity, went lower, went higher, went lower again. Now when market went lower, is there any sell side liquidity left? No. Market trade this last parabolic gap? Absolutely. So if I get some kind of clean buy run, that will tell me that market is going higher. Until now, did I get it anything? No, nothing. So let's wait. Let's wait. Just wait. No. Just looking at this price action until here, what do you see? Market has taken the liquidity, right? Sell side liquidity has taken. Market went higher, come back again lower. Where did it came? To this last parabolic gap or entry parabolic gap, whatever that is. So first market came here to this last parabolic gap. Again it came here to this last parabolic gap. Then market is extremely bullish, went above all of this high and displacement. It is a sign that market is going higher. Not a sign is market is going lower. If you wanna see that market would love to go lower, what should it happen? What it should do? It should keep going lower, right? It should keep going lower. It should not respect that last parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. It should keep going lower. but it didn't do that. What it has done, it came here to this bullish parabolic gap, then went higher. That means I'm now getting some kind of confirmation that market is actually going higher, not lower. So let me remove it. Went higher, come back again, boom. So I need this type of some kind of confirmation from here, from 15 minute chart, that market is actually going higher or lower. Some clean price action. Is it clean? No, it's not clean. First, let it make where it wants to go. And now come over here to the NASDAQ. So here is NASDAQ. From daily chart, the dollar index, I know that dollar index is going higher, right? From daily chart. So if market really would love to go higher, this guy should fall. If that hourly parabolic gap works perfectly and market keep going lower, it should go higher. Now, from over here, what do you see? Do you have any buy side liquidity? No, I don't see any buy side liquidity. Is there any buy side liquidity, relatively equal highs or something like that? No, I don't see anything. Do I have any sell side liquidity? I have this plain sell side liquidity over here. So just forget about the dollar index for sometimes. Just think about this NASDAQ. Do you have buy side liquidity? No. Do you have sell side liquidity? Absolutely you have. So market should fall, right? If it wants to fall, dollar should go higher. That means if dollar would love to go higher, the daily chart should be respected in dollar index. That hourly setup should be failed. So my expectation is making growing, I mean stronger. It's growing stronger, that maybe market is going to fall. Now, this is primarily my expectation that market is going to fall. If market would love to go lower, first I need to see is, do I have any sell side liquidity? Do I have any kind of sell side liquidity? No. Before that, you told that where market is right now, which leg we should see. Okay, let's go with that leg. This low, that high. This is the leg. Right now price is over here inside that leg, right? Inside that leg. I would love to see where market reached first. Just that low and that high. I don't care about all of this price action. I don't care about anything over there. Just nothing. Here, this high. Where did it went? It went higher. Exactly where? To this last parabolic from 50-minute chart. Now hourly last parabolic constant encroachment. If you wanna use that, no problem. But still, this 50-minute last parabolic hold the price. When market went lower, where did it reach? To this last parabolic gap. At the same time, has made this relatively equal lows. And isn't it same like the dollar index daily chart? Isn't it same? Dollar index daily chart, remember there was a buy side liquidity, price went higher to that volume balance, went little lower, make another high, made the relatively equal highs, then fall. It went lower, came to this last parabolic from 15-minute chart, made relatively equal lows, boom. When it went higher, where did it go? Last parabolic to the day hourly chart or the 50-minute last parabolic. After reaching over there, market went lower, went higher, market is just doing this. Market went to the last parabolic again, then it went higher. Now, the way I explained, first I need an confirmation from 15-minute chart that really market would love to go higher or lower. So I need some kind of confirmation. Now, if really market wanted to go lower, it should not respect this last parabolic, right? If market should go lower and take this sell side liquidity. When it went lower, came to this last parabolic, went higher. Wasn't it a nice market structure shift? Absolutely. Parabolic gap? Absolutely. Did that parabolic gap? What should you expect? Market is falling or going higher? What should you expect? Just looking at this price action. Look at this price action. Look this leg. Exactly where it went, exactly where it came. When it came here, did it make any sell side liquidity? Yes, it made. When it came here, did it make any buy side liquidity? No, it didn't. It didn't make any buy side liquidity, but it has made sell side liquidity. That means this high is not important for me. What I will do, I will mark the 50% of that week, and I will expect, even if market would love to go higher, it should not reach to that constant encroachment. Even if it reached to that constant encroachment, body should have closed at the level of the constant encroachment or below the constant encroachment. This is the part where you will mark the 50% of the week. I don't want to see market will reach to that constant encroachment. Even if it reach over there, it is not going to break that on. This low should be broken. Why? Because this low has made relatively equal lows, but that high, just a high, just a high which has traded some kind of last parallel gap or something like that. Market went lower inside this leg. This is the last parallel gap, that is the last parallel gap. Came here to the last parallel gap, went higher. Market structure shift, parallel gap, trade the parallel gap. What should you expect? Market should go higher. When market came here to this 50-minute last parallel gap, if market really would love to go higher, what should it do? It should not respect this last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. If I am absolutely wrong, no, market is not going to fall, market is going higher. Market is going higher. What should it do? That last parallel gap or maybe some kind of entry parallel gap, they should not be respected. Do you understand the fact? This is how I grow my expectation. I'm seeing that market is in the last parallel gap and it is respecting. When it is respecting, what does it mean? That means no, I don't want to go higher. I don't want to go higher. If I wanted to go higher, I wasn't respect this bearish parallel gap. If I wanted to go lower, I'm not going to respect this last parallel gap. When market is over here, what is the best option for you to look for buy or sell? What do you think? You should look for a buy or you should look for a sell. If you look for a sell, what do you have? Huge range from that level to this level. You have this huge range. You know that market is going toward that sell liquidity. If market started to go higher, what do you think? Where market can go? To that relatively equal highs, maybe that low, maybe constant encroachment, maybe constant encroachment of this last parallel gap hourly chart, weekly constant encroachment. You don't know. You don't know exactly from where it will reverse. Nobody knows that. But if it started to fall, this is your range. That sell liquidity. It is easier for you to look for that sell. What do I say? Now I build an expectation. Okay, brother, I would love to use the replay mode one more time. I'm sorry for that, but I need to use that one. Okay. When market came here, if you were with me in my Twitter, I was just looking for buy. Even from 15-second chart, 30-second chart, 1-minute chart, I was just looking for buy. Why I was looking for buy? I saw what market has done when market was over there, exactly into this leg. Every single time you will see the price will be inside a leg. Every single time from 15-minute chart. When market was over there, around that area, where was that? That price was inside this leg. Look at this leg. It was inside that leg. When market was over here, just look around that area. Over here, where was that exactly? Below, into this leg. See this leg? This low, that high. It was into that leg. Now market is over here. Where? Into this leg. Market is falling, 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 falling. Do I have any buy side liquidity? Now I have buy side liquidity, relatively equal highs. I talked about this relatively equal highs in my Twitter. I told that so far it seems like bullish to me. Until this buy side liquidity, at least market will be bull. Okay, this high and that high, that they were relatively equal highs. Do I have sell side liquidity? Very near to me. If market would love to go for that sell side liquidity, what it has to do? It has to break the last parallel gap. If I say something complicated, you please keep that note and ask me when I'm done. Again, I'm not really interested to frame any trade. If any of you here to copy for copying my trade, I'm extremely sorry, brother. Today is just gonna be a boring day. Okay, no frame. I will show you how to spend time with the chart without framing a trade, without seeing the chart. I mean, without looking for an entry, just look at the chart. How to do that? You have to do it. Okay. Otherwise, if you just always look for the setup, you are not going to learn this thing. Okay, man. Just a second. This is a pause. I would love to remove this, and I would love to see the opening of the 9:30. So just let me see the opening. 9:30 open. I'll talk about this line, that line, everything I will talk about. Okay? Just let me see how the 9:30 open works. See these lows, this low, that low, they're relatively equal lows. Very nice. Market is going higher, so market is actually falling, going higher. If it started to go higher, what should you do? I have explained that already. If it started to go higher, you have low probability. Are you interested to take buy at least now? No, you should not. You should not. But if it started to fall, you have lot of opportunity until this sells liquidity. So this is how you should work with the chart. The market went higher to that constant encroachment. Let's see how it reacted. Just a second. Now I'm in 1 minute chart. What do I see from 1 minute chart? Can you say where market will go? If you have no idea from 15-minute chart what is going to happen, can you read the price? Can you frame a trade from here? You will see this thing and you will start to think, okay, market is now going to higher. It's going higher. Let's take buy. Let's take buy. Let's take buy.